So here's the tea on how I made these jalapeno and cheddar biscuits. The first thing I did was chop up some jalapeno peppers. Make sure to take the seeds out. Of course, I'm making these biscuits with Miss Lena's Buttermilk Biscuit Mix, which is produced by me, spilling the sweet tea. Baby, seeing your name on the back of packaging for a brand you created never gets old. Y'all, my mama would be so proud. Now all you want to do is add your mix to your Miss Lena's biscuit bowl and then add in your chopped jalapenos. Once you added your jalapenos, then add 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I swore I recorded myself adding this cheese, but I don't know what happened to the footage. Anyway, then grate in 1 stick of frozen butter into your mixture. I love using this rotary grater because it makes things so much easier. Once you've mixed in your butter, you want to add in a cup of buttermilk. The key for these biscuits is adding half of the buttermilk and then giving the mixture a really good mix, and then you want to come through with the other half of the buttermilk. For this particular recipe, this step is very important. Make sure you don't skip it. And this is what your dough should look like once everything is well combined. Now all you want to do is flour your surface, and let's make some biscuit magic. Making biscuits is not hard. All you need is a little bit of patience and the right technique. For these biscuits, we're going to have to roll them and fold them over several times. Because we're going for really tall, flaky layers, this step is very important. So you want to roll out your biscuits, fold them, and then turn them. Oh, and make sure you flour your rolling pin too. Very important. Okay, so just roll out your biscuits, fold them, turn them. One more time. Roll out your biscuits. Then you want to fold them over 1 time and then turn them. Just like that. Make sure to keep adding flour to your rolling pin so you don't have any dough sticking anywhere. After you've done this about 6 times, this is what your dough should be giving you. Nice and thick, full of layers. This is the final time you need to roll out your biscuits because you can see that we have the layers that we're looking for. I was trying to cut my biscuits initially into rectangles, but they ended up being squares. So that's why you see me trying to square up my biscuit dough. I actually saw this recipe on TikTok and I'm trying to recreate it the way I saw it on TikTok, but it ended up being the spilling the sweet tea way. Baby, it's giving squares and they actually turned out amazing. Look how beautiful this dough is. Gorgeous. Once you have your biscuits cut out, you just want to add some egg wash to the top. The egg wash is going to give you that nice brown color. Now add your cheddar cheese on top and then 1 thinly sliced piece of jalapeno for a little razzle dazzle. And this is how they turned out. After about 15 minutes in a 450-degree oven, they are looking fresh out the oven. Fabulous. They come out looking nice and thick, just like a Southern chick. I love me a savory biscuit, and when I tell you these jalapeno and cheddar biscuits did not miss. I loved how they turned out. They were so good. To get your Miss Lena's Buttermilk Biscuit Mix, you can head to my website, spillingthesweettea.com. The biscuit mix is also on Amazon.com. Just search Miss Lena's. For more biscuit recipes, grab my cookbook, Memories on a Plate, Southern Recipes I Learned from My Mama. The cookbook sale ends tomorrow, so make sure you grab a copy. Like and follow for more.
That is good.